Chef Joe here with Healthy Kids Inc. And today we are going to be making a Greek stuffed pita with some hanger steak. And what we've done with the chopped up bits of hanger steak here is liberally season them with salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Any other seasonings you'd like. If you want to do paprika, cumin, you could do a bunch of different things. If you really want to get into the swing of Mediterranean cooking, you can, if you can pick this up at your ethnic market, you can find sumac. It's a purple spice, and it's really good and flavorful on meats and fish and things like that. So that would be worth trying on this as well. But we're just going to throw these on the grill, grill them up, and then we're going to put these in with our pitas, our hummus, and our fresh veggies that are going to go in the Greek salad that accompanies this hanger steak. So we'll see you in just a minute. Alright, and we're back. We've pulled our hanger steak off the grill and allowed it to rest for a few minutes. It looks great, smells great. We've got some of our other ingredients here that are going to go in the Greek salad that's going to go inside of our pitas here. We have our whole wheat pitas, we have cucumbers, some onion, feta cheese, we have romaine lettuce here just kind of torn up a little bit. We've got our hummus and then our hanger steak. So what I'm going to do is take some of our hummus and kind of smear it on the inside of our pita. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of our feta cheese. You can kind of layer these any way you want. I would start with the hummus, but other than that, it's kind of up to you. You can feel free to deviate from these ingredients if you want to use other veggies. Feel free. This is just a starting point. Put a couple of our cucumber slices in here. And a few pieces of our hanger steak. We're really filling this one up. A little more cheese. There's one. Alright, top this with a little bit of the cheese. That's all there is to it.